Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. In previous class, we discussed about reflection of light. Now we will discuss about refraction of light. Refraction is a process in which light passes from one medium to another where there is a difference in the optical densities of two medium. Suppose we have taken a pencil and immersed it inside a beaker filled with water. So, what do you observe? You see that the pencil appears to be displaced at the interface, right? So, here we see that refraction is taking place. Here at the top of the water level, the pencil is present in air, that is rarer medium. Rarer medium means, as we talk about solid, liquid, and gases, the particles are closely packed in solid. It means a very high density medium, denser medium. When we talk about liquid, the particles are little far away from each other, and in gaseous, the particles are very far away from each other. So here we see that air is the rarer medium, means particles are very far away from each other, and when particles are close with each other, that is denser medium. So when a ray of light passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal little, and due to which the pencil appears little displaced from its original position. Here you can see the apparent position and the real position of a pencil, right? So we can say that refraction is the phenomena of change in the path of light as it travels from one medium to another medium. In that case, we see that light is passing from air, that is rarer medium, to the water, that is a denser medium, right? So it can also be defined as the phenomena of change of speed of light from one medium to another. Means the speed of light is becomes slower when it moves from a rarer medium to denser medium. Now we talk about laws of reflections. As in previous, we see the laws of reflection. Now laws of refraction is that the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal are coplanar, lies in the same plane, which is same as the law of reflection, right? Another is that for a given pair of media and for light of a given wavelength, the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is a constant, that is called Snell's law, which is very important. That is sine of I upon sine of R equals to mu. That is Snell's constant, or we can write it n also. Mu is called the refractive index or constant of the medium, right? So if we talk about a glass slab, here you can see in the picture, if we pass a beam, first the beam is passing in a rarer medium, that is air. After that it will goes from a glass is a denser medium, so the ray of light little bend towards the normal. So due to this bending, the object looks little displaced from their original position, and when the beam of light again goes to the rarer medium, that is air, it will moves away from the normal. So that is refraction. Here you can observe that the glass is a denser medium. So a medium in which speed of light is more and reflected ray bends away from the normal when light passes from one medium to another is called optically rarer medium. So here you can again understand that what is denser medium and rarer medium. Denser medium where the particle are very close to each other, the density of particle is high, that is denser medium. If we talk about glass, water, or any solid object, so here we can say these are the denser objects. The particles are very denser. And if we talk about air, then it is a rarer medium. So you have to learn that when a ray coming from rarer medium to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal, and if a ray passing from denser medium to rarer, it will move away from the normal, right?